Hey, I want to talk about Hurricane Ian for just a moment. There's something about this storm that doesn't feel right. And by which I mean to none of us does it feel natural. All of us, for us, it feels unnatural. This storm is. They kept saying that it's going to happen, this is going to happen, and they kept pushing it and talking about it. And then you see this happen. And it's Jacob talked about it too on his channel. And I'm not saying it is this way, but wink wink. It's too. I don't want to say certain things, and I'm not going to, but it's just so obvious that this is not just some natural random occurrence. That it when you had there's uprisings happening in multiple nations against their governments overstepping of their power, and all of a sudden you have all these storms taking place in all those nations, and here in the U.S., in a state that's going against what you see happening, you see a monster, gigantic storm spreading.